Hello, Instagram dreamers! Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of faceless Instagram accounts, unlocking the hidden treasures that await you. But before we embark on this magical journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Imagine this, making $5,000 a month without revealing your face on Instagram. Yes, it's possible, and I'm about to show you not one, not two, but 5 mesmerizing ways to turn your faceless account into a cash-generating machine. Ready to embark on this adventure? Let's roll! First up, we have the art of storytelling. Dive deep into the magical realms of your imagination and craft captivating stories. Share snippets of your life without revealing your face. Engage your audience emotionally, making them eager for the next chapter. Remember, the key is to leave them wanting more. Now, let's sprinkle some affiliate magic into the mix. Partner with brands aligned with your aesthetic and values. Share products you genuinely love and believe in. Each swipe up could turn into a commission, bringing you closer to that $5,000 monthly goal. It's not just about products. It's about curating a lifestyle. The allure of mystery. Create and sell merchandise that echoes the enigma of your faceless persona. Design items that spark curiosity and conversations. Your followers will not only want to wear your mystery, but share it with the world. Unleash the power of anonymity through your merchandise. Join forces with fellow faceless Instagrammers. Collaborate on projects that elevate both your profiles. Cross-promotion can open doors to new audiences and opportunities. Together, you can create a movement that transcends individuality. Unity in anonymity. And now, for the grand finale, the Instagram software growth tool that changed the game for us and many others, Social Boost. This incredible tool not only propels your growth at lightning speed, but also ensures the safety of your faceless empire. Let me share our success story with Social Boost. With Social Boost, we experienced unprecedented growth while keeping our identity under wraps. This tool not only turbocharged our follower count, but also shielded us from unwanted attention. It's not just about growing fast, it's about growing smart and secure. Ready to take your faceless Instagram game to the next level? Check out Social Boost by clicking the link in the description below. It's time to unlock the full potential of your secret online empire. There you have it. Instagram Dreamers, 5 enchanting ways to turn your faceless Instagram into a $5,000 monthly masterpiece. Which path will you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this magical journey together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it inspiring. Until next time, keep dreaming and thriving on Instagram.